Hi there, students. To monopolize, a verb, a monopoly, the noun, like the game. I'm sure you've all played Monopoly. Okay, let's see. A monopoly is where one company or one supplier is the only supplier of a particular thing. It's an absence of competition. There's nobody to compete with you. So if I own all of the oil in the world, then I have a monopoly. And that was the idea of the Standard Oil Company, owned by John D. Rockefeller. Was eventually broken up in 1911. Okay, so a monopoly. You have exclusive control over one particular trade or one particular commodity or one particular service. And then we have the verb to monopolize. Okay, so to monopolize is to dominate something, to get total control and to exclude everyone else. So maybe there's a group of people that are having a discussion, they're talking about something, and there's one person who is always monopolizing the discussion. Yeah, they are trying to take total control, and they don't let anybody else have a go. They're hogging it. They're dominating it totally. So to monopolize, to exclude everybody else, or to monopolize the bathroom. If you share a house with somebody and they use the bathroom for 2 hours in the morning, you could have a problem going to work. Stop monopolizing the bathroom, or to monopolize the house itself, to have so many things that it's always in use, to occupy the full attention of something. So maybe a student who's always asking the teacher's opinion is monopolizing the teacher's attention. Yeah, they are taking all of it. They're controlling it and preventing other people from using it. If you're trying to share, if you have to share something with someone else, as long as you both let each other use it, that's great. But if one of you monopolizes it, is always using it to the exclusion of the other, then that's where it becomes a problem. So yeah, stop monopolizing it. So I don't know. Yeah, he is always monopolizing his girlfriend's attention and excludes everybody else. Or maybe one child is always monopolizing the parent's attention, to monopolize a conversation, to take complete control of something so that others are prevented from sharing it. Yeah, you use it all the time, and then nobody else can use it. So I think OPEC is a new attempt to monopolize oil, to monopolize somebody's time. Nowadays, if you try to monopolize the whole market, it can be, you'll probably find governments act against it. To monopolize a commodity, to monopolize a market, to acquire most of it. So some countries try to monopolize the production of various different things, to take the greatest share of something. So the biggest venues monopolize the most important music bands, to use something exclusively for yourself, to keep for yourself, to have all of something to yourself, to monopolize. Okay, or maybe in the days, well, nowadays bandwidth is much bigger, but in the early days of internet, if somebody monopolized the bandwidth, then you just couldn't use it because somebody else was always using it. Let's see, do you think Microsoft has monopolized operating systems. Yes, there are other operating systems, but Windows has tried very hard to monopolize the whole thing. Or maybe you're at a campsite and one group monopolizes the whole camping area. But generally, governments don't like monopolies. They like free competition. Yeah, you take a very large percent. If you monopolize something, you take a very large percentage. You prevent everyone else from having a share. So to take control, to take over, to corner a market, yeah, a market cornered by a single supplier. If somebody monopolizes you, they demand a lot of your time. So there's no time for you to do anything else or to talk to anyone else. To hog as well is quite a good verb. So let's see. Formality, a monopoly, to monopolize. 5.5 informality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, the word monopoly comes from Latin monopolium, from ancient Greek monopolion, a right of exclusive sale, monos, soul, wonder, and poleo, to sell or to barter. So only one person sells it, so they can ask any price they want. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Monopolize, a monopoly.